All right, now we are going to do a couple more examples. Our goal is to isolate, which means get the variable by itself. So with that stated, we're going to put our equation up here, 3m plus 5 equals 17. Let's see if I can make this a little tinier. Okay, so the 3m plus 5 goes down here. The 17 goes over here. Our goal is to get this, the m by itself. So what is the first thing what's the first operation that is done to the m? It is multiplied by 3. The next thing that happens to the m is it has 5 added to it. So if we go on the other side, we're going to do the inverse. Inverse means opposite. So instead of addition, it's subtraction. Instead of multiplication, it's division. 17 minus 5 becomes 12. Divided by 3 equals 4. So our answer is 4. All right, we're going to go to the next one. Doing the same problem again. We are going to write the equation up here. 6w minus 8 equals 4. 6w minus 8 equals 4. Our goal is to isolate the w. Has no operation still being done to it. So we are first going to show the operation that happens to w is it's multiplied by 6. Then it is subtracted 8. We are going to use inverse, which is opposite operations, as we go up the other side. 4 plus 8 divided by 6. So we're going to do 4 plus 8 ends up being 12. Divided by 6 is 2. So our answer, let me see, I need to erase that. Our answer is 2. I will do 2 more samples down here because they look a little different. The thing that I like to tell students when I see a problem like this is I think of this little symbol right there as like a knife. It's cutting the birthday cake. It's dividing it up. So that to me is dividing. And I think of it as a little knife. It's kind of weird, but it works for me. So I'm going to erase that because it's not really something you need to keep. Our equation is c divided by 2 plus 4 equals 10. We're going to write this equation down here. And our goal is still to isolate this c variable. First thing that happens to the c is it's divided by 2. Second thing that happens to the c is 4 is added. We're going to use our inverse, which is opposite operations. And we're going to subtract 4 on this side and multiply by 2. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12, so our answer is 12. Let's see, equals 12 is our final answer. Okay, one more. Again, this means divided by. Okay, so our goal is to isolate a. Our equation is a over 5 minus 6 equals 5. The first operation that happens to a is it's divided by 5. And then we subtract 6. So add 6 times 5. 5 plus 6 is 11, times 5 is 55. The answer is 55. Now there are a few more problems that you are expected to complete.